Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. Once you have your image pulled up, the first thing I want you to do is to click on image and then select image size. Make sure your resolution is at least 300. If not, change it to 300. Next, I'm going to duplicate my layer and then right click, convert to Smart Object. Now we're going to click on filter and then select filter gallery. We're going to choose poster edges effect under artistic menu. I'm going to choose a value of 2 in posterization and leave everything else to 0. This will split the skin tone in 2 different levels. Next, I'm going to click on filter and then select oil paint from stylize menu. Here I'm selecting a value of around 4 for stylization, around 3 for cleanliness, and 0 for scale, and 0 for bristle detail. Next, we're going to sharpen the image, so select sharpen and then click on Smart Sharpen. Here I'll change the amount to 200% and everything else I'll leave to the default values. Next, I'm going to rename this layer to poster-1 and then duplicate it. From the duplicated layer, I'm going to remove the Smart Sharpen filter because we don't need it again, and then double click on filter gallery. This time I'm going to change the edge intensity to 4 so we can capture more details from the image. Now let's play with the blending modes. Soft light looks good to me, so I'm going to select that. Let's also change the opacity to around 40%. Next, rename the layer to poster-2. And now we're going to create one last copy of the background image. This time we're going to apply the high pass filter so we can sharpen the overall image even further. So let's rename this new layer to high pass. Right click, convert to Smart Object, and then filter, other, and then click on high pass. Select a value of around 4 for the radius, and then we're going to play around with the blending modes to see which one works best in this scenario. Vivid light looks the best to me, so I'm going to select that, and then let's also change the opacity to around 40%. Finally, we're going to apply the hue/saturation adjustment layer to lighten up the reds in the image. Play with the saturation slider until you find something that looks good to you. And that should be it. Let's compare the before and after images. It looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.